Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get coins using daily training points that you can get in FIFA Mobile. So if you do have a training point that you can get from this event, this one, daily training. So you can exchange this token or point to get some reward, but you can exchange also in the store. Go to the event shop and tap the resources. This one, you can get a small amount of coin like 80,000 coins only using this one daily training point that you can earn by doing daily training event. So if you need a small amount of money or urgency small amount of money, you can get in here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.